In today's video, I'm going to teach you locate missing clips. If you've ever opened a project and been greeted by a sea of red screens or messages saying media offline, don't worry, your work isn't gone. It just means the project can't find the original files. This often happens when files were moved, renamed, or stored on a drive that's not currently connected. The first place to confirm this is the project panel. There, any clip that's disconnected will clearly show media offline, so you know exactly which items need attention. To bring a missing clip back online, start by right-clicking the offline item in the project panel and choosing Link Media. This tells the project you're ready to point it back to the correct file. A dialog will open showing the last known file name and its previous location. That information is helpful because it gives you clues about where to look, especially if the file structure changed. Next, navigate to the folder where the file is actually stored now. Maybe you moved everything to a new external drive, or perhaps you reorganized your folders. Use the browser in the Link Media window to go directly to the correct folder. If you're unsure where it went, think about the date you last organized your media, or check common folders you might have used for exports, downloads, or camera dumps. Once you've found the right folder, select the exact file that matches the clip name shown in the dialog and click OK to relink. Give it a moment and the clip should immediately come back online in the project panel and timeline. If you kept the rest of your media in the same relative structure, the software may automatically find and relink additional missing clips in that folder as well, saving you time. If it doesn't, simply repeat the same process for the remaining offline items. To avoid this problem in the future, keep all of your media organized in a single master folder before importing into your project. Inside that master folder, you can still have subfolders for video, audio, graphics, and proxies. Just make sure everything lives under the same parent. Avoid renaming or moving files after you've started editing. And when transferring to another computer or drive, copy the entire master folder so the paths stay intact. With a tidy structure in place, you'll spend less time hunting for files and more time actually editing.